Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our next session. And we are creating a new lesson for you in front of you. This is going to be 169th lesson. And this is going to be 37th part of the sale order user farm development. It's going on very well. So we managed to pick the data directly from the sheet to our standard list box, and the data was coming properly. That's fine. Our next thing we are going to do is to develop a mechanism to make some editing in that. Okay. Okay, so let's log in. So the first thing we do, as usual, we create a new lesson in here, right? And so this is going to be hyperlinked once we load the video there. Okay. Now let's go to the menu and start this. We go to our existing, means any sale order which is already entered. For example, 42 we have seen, right? Now, as we did in our previous sessions in which we used to select a row, and that would jump into this and fill in the information in here, right? So we do one thing, that we make the size of it accordingly this, right? Okay. So two things we will be doing. It should be accordingly, it's so that each item corresponds to its own. And also when we click this the two should come here, and all the content should come here. This is our agenda today. Okay. Very easy to do. Let's see how to do this. We close it. We go to the develop tab, developer, and go to the Visual Basic. In the Visual Basic, we go to the sale order. In the sale order, we go to the order details, and this is here, right? So first of all, we need to make it in, means according to its column width, okay? So it's a bit tricky that to be very much precise. Let's use it from this, okay? So a bit big, okay? And then we put this here, okay? Make it a bit larger, okay? And we move this as well. Okay, and we move this as well. Okay, and we move this as well. Okay, like this. Let's see, is our goal achieved or not? So we have to run this procedure, right? We have to, let me move this, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. So a bit, okay, that's fine. So, and we slightly shift it towards left, and and a bit this and a bit of this and this. Okay. If we move a bit this words, okay, and all right, okay. So that's not a big deal. Means we can and do it and later on. Okay. So now we are going to quickly do this procedure. Yeah. Okay. That's not, we will do this. The actual thing we want to do here is the click events. Let's double click it. So this is the click event. Right? When you click the list box, so what should it do? It should let you know that what is the row which you have selected, right? So the row and what is the name of the object in which we want this row to appear? This. This is SR number, right? So SR number, serial number, right? And so let's say um, we do this and we go to here and we say SR number is equal to, yes, list box 1, right? Dot list. Okay, list. Okay, in this list, you have certain arguments which you can pass, a row argument and the column argument, right? So the row argument is list box 1, 1 dot list index. This is your row argument, right? And the column argument is 0, right? Because always the first row is 0. The first column is 0, right? Okay, let's draw this. So this should work. So let's see if it works or not. Yeah, okay. Go to 42, press enter. Now, as soon as we click here, it gets 3, right? If we click here, it gets 2, right? Yeah. So this is so far so good. So when this can work, then this can also work, right? So let's close it and bring the product name. Mhm. What would we do? We would go to the double click here, yeah, and what is the object name? It is prod. So yeah, prod is equal to what? Prod is equal to this whole thing, right? Control C. All we need to do here is instead of 0, we will give 1 here. This is going to be the product. Hmm? Let's run it. Go to 42. Right, okay. Now we click here. Yeah, that's wonderful. Now the quantity will go there. Hmm. an amount. Amount is too much out. We will check it. Okay, the quantity is fine. And unit price is also not bad, but this discount and amount have to be moved a bit. Okay, that's right. Discount is to be shortened, and this will be enlarged, moved by left. Okay. So we get back there, Alt F11. We go to here. Oh, sorry, Alt F11. Yeah, we go to the sale order, and this is the discount, as you know, this. So make it a bit short. Yeah. And this is going to be moved further like this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so the next thing we do is, yeah, quantity. Okay, quantity, the quantity is QTY, and this is going to be 2. And after the quantity is amount, is the discount. No, unit price. Is the unit price. I think that is UP is 3. Then comes the discount. Four. And then comes what? Amount. Hmm? It's going to be 5. Hmm? And the remarks. What is remarks, by the way? This is status. Okay. This is amount. That is amount. And this is status. Okay. So stat. Okay. So we go there. Sorry. And we say stat. And 6. That's it. So let's click here. 42. Just like this, everything populated. Okay, properly. This is 3. That's great. 92. Right. And this is 2. All are 10 quantity. Okay. And what if we have 37 or order number 37 is like this. Quantity is 7. Okay. The previous quantity should be removed. Well, it will refresh as soon as you click here, the 17 will come. That's fine. Okay. But it's not a good thing that it remains there. As soon as it is changed, so it should all be go away, means all the previous value should go away. So where should we make the change? The change is expected in the change element of this order number. Okay. So we will go there in the form. Let's go to the form. Alt F11. sale order. And in the change event of here, we are supposed to write all everything to be to we should move spaces like this, as we have here. Okay, these are the spaces. What I'm looking is that we must have done it already, so we can copy paste that portion of the code like this. Serial number, yeah. So what we do here, Control C, and in the change event, we go there and double click here. In the change event, as soon as you change it, the first thing you do is you nullify. You make nulls in here. Now, serial number is null. Yeah, it should become 1 instead of null, better null, 1. Okay. Undo. Yeah. This is how we are. That's it. Okay. So as soon as you make any change in here, so this will go away. This 31. Okay, this 31 is this is this, and null. And if you select something, you get this information. And if you change it to, for example, 40 or 37, 36. So, okay, so it is not moving. It moved, but this is still causing problem. So this should have been, since we have changed it, why it did not go, didn't it go away? Like, here it is going, but if you use 40, for example, yeah, that's fine, it is changing. But when you take 37, yeah, it's changing, it's fine, it's doing what? But we have to figure out what happened wrong, what was wrong when we select it. Yes, when we select it, this thing comes. And now when we change it, when we change it to 36, for example, yeah, this time it does not go away. So this we will find it out. So I have finally managed to blank all these information as soon as you change. So let's press F2, 42. 42 is this. You select anything here, right? Okay. It is showing your this. And as soon as you go to some other shell order, for example, 36, yeah, it initializes. So the mistake which I was doing was this, that I was not using the after update. I was doing it in the before update. So this should happen after the update of the sale order, right? So now it is working. Okay. So when you load an existing sale order like this, okay, you select anything, all the information come up, and when you change it to some other sale order, it clears, and as soon as you make a selection, you make a selection, it it adjusts the contents of these controls automatically. Okay, thank you very much for joining us in this video, and in the next video, I look forward to your participation as well. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.